Proverbs 31, verse 15. She riseth also while it is yet night, and giveth meat to her household, and a portion for her maidens. She considered a field and buyeth it with the fruit of her hands. She planted a vineyard. She girded her loins with the strength, and strengthened her arms. She perceived that her merchandise is good. Her candle goeth not out by night. She laid her hands to the spindle, and her hands hold the distaff. The stretched out of her hand to the poor. She reached forth her hands to the needy. She is not afraid of the snow for her household, for all her household are clothed with scarlet. She made herself coverings of tapestry. Her clothing is silk and purple. Her husband is known in the gates when he sitteth among the elders of the land. She made fine linen and sell it, and delivered girdles unto the merchant. Strength and honor are her clothing, and she shall rejoice in the time to come. She openeth her mouth with the wisdom, and her tongue is the law of kindness. She looked well to the ways of her household, and eateth not the bread of idleness. Her children arise up and call her blessed, her husband also, and he praise her. Many daughters have done virtuously, but thou exceedingly them all. Favor is deceitful, and beauty is vain, but a woman that feareth the Lord, she shall be praised. Amen.
Amen.